Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to the PEPE update today. Now I did make an update yesterday very quickly, almost a 6 minutes update talking about PEPE, the future of crypto and what you have to expect, right? Now the thing is that on in yesterday's update I actually told you that we do have one support here, move up, one support there, move up, one support here, move back up, and then you found another support right over there. And to be honest with you, this is an amazing closing right over there. Okay, you can actually say that, okay, PEPE has managed to kind of close a little bit better. Now there is one very good amazing thing about PEPE that I want to show you very quickly. Now we do have the price is really falling down at the moment. Now number one on the 4-hour time frame is that you do have the trend line here. This trend line is actually going to act as a big resistance at the moment, but we do have junction until 11 of September. I don't know what the date is today. Yes, but it's actually going to lead to 11. Maybe it's 8 today or something, or 9. So you might actually see a squeeze happening, but I have a feeling we're going to do this instead of actually doing this. Now the reason for that, number one, if it's going to happen, we have to put a stop loss at 6305. Okay, if it's going to come down, take this out. That's going to be kind of bad, negative. But at the moment I have a feeling we're about to do this break and then go to the upside. It's simply because number one, the 4-hour time frame is super oversold. Secondly is the divergence. Okay, so this divergence, I am not going to ignore the divergence. You have the prices coming down and you have this sideways movement going on, creating something known as regular bullish divergence. Okay, so this is regular bullish divergence. You're going down, you're moving sideways. That actually is quite positive. It's not negative at all. Okay, I'm going to repeat this. This is something that is extraordinary. Of course, we're going to use charts to predict our future, but I actually have a feeling due to that divergence, we are about to break above and at least come up here, which is going to be a move back up to this technical target, and we might actually see a 19% pump back up to 8,239. But again, you can actually wait until 11 of September to see. So within the next 2 days, or let's say within the next 48 hours, we are about to see PEPE doing something. And my personal take is a pump to the upside. But the best decision is to wait for the clear break, because still if you do come down here and take it out, then you actually go all the way to the downside. So just do what the charts do, but my gut feeling says we're going to go back to the upside. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.